Hello everyone. In my fourth video of social studies lesson number forest and wildlife resources, I got suddenly stopped here on like to know, that is bioprotection zone, national park and sanctuary. So let's begin from this only. In my fourth video, we studied about certain projects related to wildlife protection and sanctuaries, national park and bioreserve zones. So let's continue with like to know about bioprotection zone in India. There are total 18, but in Gujarat it's 1. National parks in India it is 103, and in Gujarat it's 4 national parks. There are 531 sanctuaries in India and 23 sanctuaries are in Gujarat. Then development process is inevitable, but along with it, it is necessary that we keep in mind its all ill effects on the entire life system while planning. Whenever one species is completely destroyed or is in danger, the result of the disturbance in the food chain are far reaching. In food chain, every insect has a specific role. If a life is lost, the entire structure experiences disturbance. If one species is removed, the natural system breaks down in long run. See, we all studied about food chain, right? Herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, omnivorous animals. All these animals are dependent on each other. Animals which are eating grass and leaves, those animals are got eaten by other animals, flesh eating animals, right? So say like suppose a big, if I take example of lizard is lizard main food is insects which remains on wall during whenever tube light or bulb is on. So lizard go on eating those insects most of the time. So just imagine if those insects get extinct soon, so what will be the main food of lizard then? So obviously lizard का खाना पूरी तरह से disturb हो जाएगा. Okay? Then snake used to eat frog more. तो अगर फ्रॉग ही ख़त्म हो जाएंगे तो फिर स्नेक का खाना डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. एंड इफ़ स्नेक्स विल गेट ओवर देन व्हाट अबाउट ईगल, राइट? तो ये पूरा जो फूड चेन का सिस्टम है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा अगर एक भी स्पीसीज ख़त्म होता है तो. ओके, देन these effects reach man very late, hence we are not aware of it. Those environmental dangers which we are following are the result of carelessness developed before decades. If we have planned development, there will be not any problem. Friendly approach with the environment is a need of present day. सी एक्चुअली हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि कौन सा स्पीसीज़ ख़त्म हो रहा है, और वो स्पीसीज़ ख़त्म होगा तो किस एनिमल पे ज़्यादा असर होगा. जब तक वो हमें पता चलता है तब तक बहुत देर हो चुकी होती है, जिसकी वजह से इट बिकम वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू हैंडल दैट डिस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, so we should be very friendly, we should have very friendly approach with environment, so that we should say like suppose we should be connected with environment continuously so that we come to know about life and food chain about animals. Okay, now things to know, we have two informations left out, that is one is Hentaro. This animal lives in the arid or semi-arid regions having alkaline forest and grassland, desert or semi-desert area. It lives in the greater and smaller run of Kutch of Gujarat, Bani and in Narayan Sarovar Sanctuary. It can be identified as it is slightly taller than the fox, has a fleshy round mouth, and has a high ear. It hunts smaller birds and animals. Its existence can be known by its footprints. You can see this picture carefully. This picture is of Hantaro. Hantaro is mostly seen in Narayan Sarovar Sanctuary, Bani and Run of Kutch. ओके ये 3 जगहों पर हेंटारो पाए जाते हैं. हेंटारो इज़ लिटल बिगर इन साइज देन फॉक्स. फॉक्स से थोड़ा बड़ा है. राउंड शेप का फेस है उसका और लंबे लंबे ईयर, प्लस उसकी प्रेजेंस उनके फुट से पाई जाती है कि यहाँ पर कहीं हेंटारो है. एंड द लास्ट वन ऑफ दिस लेसन इज़ डुगंग. This is an aquatic animal. It is seen in very small numbers along the western sea coast of India. Beside, it is also found along the sea coast of East Africa, Southeast Asian sea coast and northern coast of Australia. So in short, this animal is not only found in India or western sea coast of India. Which sea coast come in western side? That is Arabian Sea, and on eastern side it is Bay of Bengal, right? So along in Arabian side we can say कि कुछ ऐसे डुगांग पाए जाते हैं. Along with that, this kind of animals is seen in East Africa, Southeast Asia, north coast of Australia. Seagrass and vegetation is its main food. Means this animal is not eating other animals, but occasionally it also eat aquatic animals. कभी कभी वो aquatic, that is water animals भी खाते हैं. It is widely hunted for its meat and fat. Earlier, this dugong was found frequently along Gujarat coast, especially along Saurashtra coast. Today, it is rarely seen along Gujarat coast. पहले गुजरात कोस्ट में ज़्यादातर पाए जाते थे, दैट इज़ टूवर्ड सौराष्ट्र साइड, बट नाउ बहुत कम पाए जाते हैं. ओके, सो this was our second lesson of geography, that is forest and wildlife resources. Okay, one thing I will remind you, when you will get your textbooks, and if you have your textbook, please see all these pictures also very clearly, because ऐसा हुआ था कि लास्ट ईयर के बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में सिर्फ पिक्चर ही दी गई थी एंड बोला गया था राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस व्हाट यू ऑब्जर्व इन पिक्चर और राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन राइट शॉर्ट नोट ऑन दिस पिक्चर्स. ओके, सो अगर आपको पिक्चर्स अच्छे से पता हो तो आप उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लिख सकें. सो ऑब्जर्व ऑल दिस पिक्चर्स केयरफुली कि विच पिक्चर्स आर दिस. नाउ फॉर योर लेसन नंबर 8 I have not given you to do writing work. Okay, so just we will start with writing work of our social studies now. This is your lesson number 8 exercise. So this exercise only, all these questions, see that you have to do in your social studies notebook. You can make social studies a separate notebook. Okay, along with these questions I have written here 4 more questions. So as you complete these questions, you have to write these question answers also. Let me speak all these questions so that you will get still clear idea which questions you have to write and for which you have to write answers. First one is answers in detail. What is meant by resources? Describe its usage. Second, what is meant by oil conservation? State the remedies of soil conservation. It is soil conservation. Then, answer the following questions as directed. Describe the process of soil formation and state on which basis these are classified. Write notes on alluvial soil. Write notes on black soil. Okay. Then moving ahead, answer the following questions in brief. State the remedies to prevent soil erosion. What is called a mountain soil? write a short note about the desert soil. So all these questions, apart from that, 4 more questions. First one, what do you understand by the term conservation of resources? Second, mention the types of resources. Third, explain soil. Fourth, what is meant by soil erosion? Okay, so these are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 10, 12 question answers you have to write for your lesson number 8. Let it be, solve these MCQs in textbook itself. No need to write in your notebook. Okay, only write with question answers of lesson number 8 in your notebook. Now coming on lesson number 9. In lesson number 9 also you have exercise backside, एंड दैट एक्सरसाइज ओनली फ़िलहाल आप सॉल्व कीजिए अपनी नोटबुक में. राइट अ डिटेल नोट ऑन टाइप्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. सेकेंड, स्टेट द रेमेडीज़ फॉर फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन. थर्ड, डिस्क्राइब वेरियस प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन. ओके, तो प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में, रेमेडीज़ के बारे में, डिटेल नोट के बारे में आपको लिखना है in detail. So in detail वाले questions we can say these questions can come of 3 or 4 marks each. Okay, so see that you prepare along accordingly. Then answer in brief, that is answers you have to give in short only. Short matlab it will definitely go with 2 marks questions, so at least 3-4 points should be there. What is meant by bioreserve zone? Where would we find tigers in Gujarat? Actually correct this question. It is where would we find tigers in Gujarat during last century. Okay, last century में, क्योंकि अभी तो टाइगर्स है ही नहीं गुजरात में. So this is incomplete question. Just add these 3 words, during last century. Then state the reasons for forest destruction. Fourth one, write note about wildlife on the verge of extinction. Okay, so we can consider these questions can come in 2 or 3 marks. Okay, because answers can be of 4 points or 6 points also. Okay, तो 4 to 6 points में आंसर आएंगे तो 2 और 3 marks के ये आंसर्स आ सकते हैं. Then the next one, what is meant by century? Third, next one, what is a national park? In which state is the Nulls rover located? Okay, so MCQs no need to write in your notebook. You have to write these questions. These are 10 questions and 2 more questions I have written with pen in this only. That is, state the reasons for the destruction of wild animals. State the remedies for conservation of wild life. ओके, सो ये 2 चीज़ें आपको, ये 12 क्वेश्चंस हैं लेसन नंबर 9 के, विच यू हैव टू राइट आफ्टर यू कंप्लीट योर लेसन नंबर 8 इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, दीज आर एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस, but later on I will be giving you certain knowledgeable questions which will be related to these lessons only. Okay, तो वो सारे क्वेश्चंस भी आपको दिए जाएंगे, लेकिन अभी नहीं. अभी फ़िलहाल आप एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ वर्क कीजिए, और जो नॉलेजेबल क्वेश्चंस होंगे दैट आई विल गिव यू लेटर ऑन. दोज क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो यू पीपल हैव टू सॉल्व. एज इन क्लास वी हैड ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर लास्ट ईयर 10th स्टैंडर्ड हैव गॉट. तो उसी तरह से हमें वर्क करना है सोशल स्टडीज़ के लिए. But फिलहाल see that you prepare with these exercise questions properly and write in your notebook. And yes, one more thing, see that you write your all answers in point wise, whether you are writing small short answers or you are writing detailed answer. In your social studies all your answers should be written point wise. Okay everyone, so see that you please go through all these things and write answers of all these exercise questions. Okay, and one more thing, and one more and the last thing in this video, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ये है, बट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स की बात करें तो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आपको लेसन में से कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं। कहने का मतलब ये है कि यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर एसएस टेक्स्ट बुक वर्ड टू वर्ड प्रॉपरली. So this is just a beginning. We only finished 2 lessons still. So see that you understand word to word of each lesson, and then work for your SS preparation. Either it is for test or it is for exam. Okay everyone. So just see that you study well, and all the best for your online studies to you all. Okay. Bye bye. Take care everyone.